The Pixel 10 series is about to drop, and Google's pricing strategy might just be its biggest play yet. Just weeks ahead of the expected August 20th launch, fresh leaks have revealed what these phones are going to cost. And let's just say, it's not the price hike many were bracing for. In a market where flagship prices are climbing higher with every release, Google seems to be holding its ground. And that decision could shake up the competition in a major way. According to trusted source Roland Quant from WinFuture, European pricing for the entire Pixel 10 lineup has leaked, and it's surprisingly consistent across the board. The regular Pixel 10 will reportedly start at €899 for the base 128GB variant. The Pixel 10 Pro comes in at €1,099 for the same 128GB storage, while the larger Pixel 10 Pro XL jumps to €1,299, but starts at 256GB with no 128GB model listed this time. And topping the range is the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, sitting at €1,899 for 256GB. No changes, no surprises, at least on paper. But don't let the familiar numbers fool you. This move from Google is calculated. While every other brand is slowly nudging prices upward, Google is holding steady, and that's a clear signal. It's not just about keeping things affordable. It's about locking in value, especially as competition gets more intense. And while the Pro models will obviously bring that premium pixel experience, top-tier cameras, polished AI features, refined displays, it's actually the base Pixel 10 that could be the real game-changer this year. The Pixel 10 isn't just a cheaper Pixel Pro, it's shaping up to be a flagship in its own right. Reports suggest Google is upgrading it from a dual to a triple rear camera setup, and the new Tensor G5 chipset promises serious performance gains. Combine that with deeper integration of generative AI across the OS, and at €899, the Pixel 10 could seriously undercut rivals who are charging a lot more for similar tech. This could be Google's stealth weapon, a high-end experience without the high-end price tag. That said, there is one area where some fans might feel a bit let down. Earlier rumors hinted that Google might slash the price of the Pixel 10 Pro Fold to make foldables more mainstream. But based on this leak, the Fold sticks to last year's price, €1,899, meaning no discount this time. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.